Welcome to Science 21, Grade 2, Unit 3, Lesson 8. I'm going to demonstrate for you constructing a model of a deer and a burr. You're going to be given a survival design challenge scenario involving a plant and an animal. Your challenge will be to plan and construct physical models showing how the plant and animal depend on each other. You will design your models using materials provided by your teacher and using materials you may have available at home. To provide you with some guidance in working on your challenge, I've constructed models of a deer and a burr. And the burr is just a sticky pod with seeds from a burdock plant. Here are the materials that were used to construct the models. I used a piece of cardboard. I used a glue stick as well. And I used pieces of felt. I kept all my little scrap pieces of felt so that I could use them in creating some seeds. And I also used 2 wooden sticks. So this is like a coffee stirrer that has been cut. And to take a look again here, when you see the deer, he needed teeth, and so that's why I needed the coffee stirrer for that. So first I sketched a rough outline of the deer on the cardboard using a pencil. I then cut out the diagram and cut out matching pieces of felt. The felt was then glued to the cardboard using a glue stick. The burdock plant provides food to the deer, so to eat the plant, the deer needs teeth. And again, you can see that I broke a wooden stirrer into small pieces and glued them to the cardboard where the deer's mouth would be on the model. As the deer eats the plant, it brushes against the plant and its burrs. As you saw in one of the videos you watched, the burrs with the seeds are ball-shaped, but they're very sticky. The model of the burr was made using a ping pong ball and masking tape. If I didn't have a ping pong ball, I could have used any small ball. I could have used Play-Doh or modeling clay that I rolled into a small ball. So that the tape would have a sticky part facing out, I doubled the tape into a loop and attached it to the ping pong ball. So you can see lots and lots of sticky tape on the outside of the ping pong ball. I did this for several pieces of tape so that the surface of the ping pong ball is mostly sticky. I could also have glued the non-sticky part of a tape strip to the ball so its sticky side faces out. I also could have used double-sided tape, which has both sides sticky. As the deer eats the burdock plant, it brushes up against it, and some of the burrs stick to its fur. I can illustrate this in the model by brushing the model deer against the model burr. So again, my model deer, my model burr, and it just brushes right by, and notice that it holds right on there. When the deer finishes eating, it will move to another location in the woods, and then the burr attached to it may fall off as it travels, or it may be knocked down when it brushes against other plants. The model that I've shown you has structures on the deer that benefit both the deer and the plants. The deer uses its teeth to eat the plant, which supplies the deer with food. The burr is sticky, so it easily attaches to the deer's fur. Because the deer will move to another location, it will help disperse the plant's seeds.